Me the learning channel for physics and mathematics. Please subscribe our channel, like it and share it. This is finding an equation when its roots are given. Let us see, when the roots of an equation are given, how can we find it? He says finding a cubic equation whose roots are 2, minus 3 and 4. There are 3 roots, so the equation must be cubic. So I have to find that equation. I will just suppose, okay, if I have to find an x, then x is equal to 2, one root, x is equal to minus 3, and then x is equal to 4. I can write this as x minus 2 equal to 0, x plus 3 is equal to 0, and x minus 4 is equal to 0. I can multiply all these two together, x minus 2 into x plus 3 into x minus 4 must be equal to 0. This is x minus 2. I am again writing x minus 2, x plus 3 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. I can multiply first these two together, x minus 2, x plus 3. If you multiply, this is x square plus x and minus 6. And this x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now I'll multiply x square, multiply this x. This will be x cubed minus this is 4x squared plus x, multiply this is plus x squared minus 4x. Minus 6 multiply this is x minus 6x and plus 24 is equal to 0. So this will be x cubed minus 4x square plus x square is minus 3x square minus 4x minus 6x minus 10x and plus 24 is equal to 0. This is the required cubic equation. Thank you very much.